right, we're going to check in now with KZK's meteorologist Andrew Samet for another check of our forecast. Andrew, it still looks really active behind you, even though it sounds like the rain has slowed down a bit. What's it looking like out there?
Yeah, we are seeing the conditions improving within the city of Tyler, but as you head towards the Henderson area, your storm threat is going to be increasing here shortly. Potential for about 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts here within the leading edge of this thunderstorm, which is about to move, or with the latest radar scan, looks like it's already moving through Henderson at this point in time. But eventually down the line, Mount Enterprise and Beckville will get in on some of these strong gusty winds here. Haven't seen any reports of damaging wind gusts yet out of these thunderstorms, but because of how unstable the atmosphere is and because of how wet the grounds are, it's not going to take a whole lot of wind to knock down trees. In fact, you probably don't even need severe winds to knock down trees. I think a 30 to 40 mile per hour wind may be able to just do that. So definitely want to make sure that you are staying weather aware today. And of course, if you see power lines down, just report it to local law enforcement or something like that. You don't want to ever try to handle any down power lines yourself. Now, we do have some flash flood warnings out by Marshall and Jefferson, and also into northern Cherokee and southern Smith County as well, or most of Smith County is included in that flash flood warning. So just be on the lookout for those flooded roadways. In terms of the severe weather threat breakdown for today and for tonight, because there is another chance for another round of storms late tonight into early tomorrow morning. It's damaging wind gusts as the primary severe weather concern, but flash flooding is also a possibility here because remember, like I said, it won't take a whole lot of rain to cause flooding. Large hail and tornado threat is much lower. Tornado threat's not zero, but it is quite low for us as we head into today and tonight. But like I said, the flash flooding threat is on the higher side of things. We're under a level 3 out of 4 risk for flash flooding in our northernmost areas, highlighted in red. Again, this is the outlook for flash flooding, which is underneath a level 3 out of 4 from Tyler up to Gilmer and Mount Pleasant. We're already seeing some flooding reports out in the Tyler area. So just make sure that you are using extreme caution on the roadways, and remember to never cross a flooded roadway. As the saying goes, turn around, don't drown. Of course, the rain is providing a cooling effect to the areas that are seeing it. You can see it's down to the upper 60s in Tyler and mid 60s in Gilmer, where it hasn't quite rained yet, but the clouds are increasing. It's a little bit warmer. Lufkin's at 84, Crockett's at 84 as well. So high temperatures may be able to still make it to the upper 80s in deep East Texas, but the farther north you go, it's unlikely that we'll see those temperatures rebound enough to get to the upper 80s. But as these storms clear out, we may be able to hit back into the low to mid 80s as we head into the afternoon. But to recap the forecast for today, we'll see those highs in the mid 80s with a few upper 80s out in deep East Texas and a few low 80s in our northern areas, with scattered shower and storm chances continuing through today and into tonight as well. We can't rule out some isolated showers and thunderstorms as temperatures drop down to the mid 70s. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast now. We will see the chance of storms continuing into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will finally dry things out. It's a brief period of dry weather, though. We'll see more rain and storms return heading into the weekend. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for those storm chances to continue through Wednesday. Then we turn dry and hot as we head into the day on Thursday, with shower and storm chances returning by Saturday. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website,